So today we're going to talk about the diet before the diet. And what that means is priming your metabolism and getting you ready to be in a deficit. So I have a ton of ladies coming to me that are severely under eating, and we can't take them into a deficit immediately. So when they come to me, they want to lose weight, and that's their first initial thing. And when I say, hey, we need to eat more food, it's probably a little bit hard for them to buy in and trust me through the process. But once they've gone through the process, they're like, oh my gosh, thank you so much for taking me through this and helping me eat more and really bless my body with food. So what that looks like is we take their initial tracking, we compare it to what their predicted maintenance calories would be. So most of the time, I will take them to their maintenance calories and reform their macronutrients, because 95% of the women clients that are coming to me are severely under eating on protein. So we're gonna see body composition changes just from that. So sometimes I have some women coming to me that maybe are eating enough, but they're still not eating enough protein. So switching up their macronutrient ratio and just leaving them there at their maintenance calories, they see changes from that in their body composition as well. So we don't have to immediately go into low calories to see changes in our body. We really need to prime our metabolism and get our metabolism ready to safely diet and have long-term success. Because what happens when we go directly into a diet from those low calories is we're gonna plateau, we're gonna be hungry, we're probably gonna start binge eating, and then we see that yo-yo dieting. We maybe lose a little bit, we plateau, and then we say, hey, this isn't working anymore, and we eat all the food. And then that happens over our lifetime. We start putting on 5 to 10 pounds every year. So we don't want to do that. We want to have the diet before the diet. This is something I do with every single one of my clients. We prime your metabolism, get you ready and set up for a diet. I don't believe in directly taking you into a deficit. I want to make sure we're in a good spot, and I want to make sure from day to day that you can be adherent and consistent with your maintenance level macronutrient prescription that I give you. So that's a good base to start at. We really want to make sure that we prime that metabolism. Another thing is when we go into a deficit and we're at really low calories, we start to mess with our hormones. Our thyroid, testosterone, leptin, ghrelin, all of those hormones are going to help decide whether we lose or not. So we want to make sure that we are in a good spot with our metabolism, our hormones are in a good spot, mentally, physically, we're ready to go into a diet before we start that diet. That's going to give us long-term success in dieting and getting to and reaching and keeping those goals that we've set. So I really hope this helps you understand what the diet before the diet is. We need to prime our metabolism and get ready for the diet. We don't always need to go right into a deficit. If you need help and you're not even sure what your maintenance calories should be, I did a live video in my Facebook group yesterday evening on how to figure your maintenance calories. I also have a video on my Instagram page and my YouTube on how to figure those maintenance calories. And as always, if you want one-on-one coaching with accountability and love and care, please reach out to me. I would love to have you on my team.